Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal and welcome back to Good Time Gal Food Blog. For those of you joining me, my name is Christy or your Good Time Gal. This is a blog food tutorial for people who follow along on my blog, goodtimegal.blog or goodtimegal.com. Today is September the 20th. It is National Pepperoni Day. Yes. I don't know anybody who doesn't like pepperoni pizza, and if they don't, I don't know what to say, right? But pepperoni pizza is what we're gonna be doing today. This is gonna be a super easy bake. We're not gonna stress, we're just gonna have fun, right? So why does National Pepperoni Day line up with Good Time Gal? Well, the reason that it lines up with us is it's equitable. All of these ingredients you can find in your home for the toppings, or you can make the dough from scratch or get homemade dough. It is versatile, so you can do different toppings with the pizza, whether that is shrimp, whether that is bologna, whether that is pepperoni. And it is also about connection. This type of food connects everyone, whether that's a game night, whether that is a church event, whether that is just having a lazy day of I don't want to cook. Me personally, whenever I try any of my new recipes that I have made, I usually always have a pepperoni pizza as a backup, just in case my family doesn't like it. So do you see what I mean with food connection? So let's get started. This is the same recipe that is on my blog. So what you will need is you're gonna need about 20 slices of pepperoni. And I got some big pieces of pepperoni because I like to layer it. I want it to cover it. You're gonna need some garlic powder. I like to use fresh garlic. I want my pizza to be as fresh and delicious as possible. And then I have some dried basil. You can do fresh basil leaves as well, but sometimes the freshness can overpower it. I have some diced mushrooms because I love to add mushrooms on top of mine. That is your option. We have a bag of our mozzarella cheese, and I have some pizza sauce that is already pre-made. And of course, my favorite, Mr. Boboli, always wonderful to have around. And I have a select amount. I have tomatoes, I have purple onion, I have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and white onion for my topping. So this can be a fun one. I did not get olives. You can do olives, but you can do that. Olive oil. I'm gonna grease my pizza stone. If you don't have a pizza stone, you can just use a circular pan. I'm gonna put my pie crust down. Just gonna build on this pizza, okay? So this is basically what it is. You're just building. So we've got the crust already, or our pie dough. So now I'm just gonna add a layer of sauce. I'm gonna do a little more, but I don't want to sop it. I just wanted to cover. I just want to cover it just a little bit. You know me and my perfectionism. All right. I'm going to sprinkle half on the sauce. I'm going to sprinkle half of my garlic. I'm going to put my pepperoni. And I'm going to add more toppings. So now I'm going to add onion. Gonna add some bell pepper. I'm gonna add some tomato. Purple onion. I'm gonna add cheese now. And then I'm gonna add some mushrooms on top of the cheese. I hope you're noticing there's no wrong way to do this, right? And that's why this is fun. Making a pizza is kind of like making a masterpiece. I'm gonna sprinkle a little more basil. I'm gonna use the rest of the garlic. And I'm gonna use the rest of my cheese. All right, so it's ready. We're gonna put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes and I will see you then. The timers went off. Pizza is ready. Let's check it out. I can't wait, I'm excited. Mangiano. Prego, prego, grazie. Molto bene. We gonna cut into this and see. Let's cut. It's hot. I don't know, y'all. It's hot. I don't know if I'm gonna eat this. You did that. You did that. Look at that. It's hot. Yes. It's good. It's so good. It's really good. Yes. Pat yourself on the mat and dust your shoulders off because you did it. My kitchen to yours. Happy National Pepperoni Day.